Okay, we're gonna take this is a TOA motor quad 110. Engine is not really good on it, still looks good. We're gonna do an engine swap. We're gonna take the TTR125. This bike is a little bit rough. We're gonna take this engine and put it into this little quad here. We're gonna strip off all the plastics, strip all the wiring, everything out of this quad, and then take it from this bike, the engine, and transfer it over to this bike. Okay, we got the engine out of the little quad. It's laying behind it right there now. Still working on the TTR here. We'll get it out a little bit. So we're gonna cut the old battery box off. We're gonna just cut it there, and then take this battery box out. So we don't need battery on this one kickstart. And then we're gonna cut this piece off so we can get this mount back to this mount here, and we'll see how it goes from there. Doing a test startup. Still have to figure out how we're gonna get this throttle to work. But at least it's coming. Ignition coil. Bolt it on there. So we took it on a ride last night, and the chain is hitting the top of the frame as soon as you sit on it right there and at the bottom. So the only solution we have is we're gonna undo the shock, and we're gonna raise the back end of the quad. Oh, I would say till about there, so when you sit on it, a little bit down, right about there, when you're going to sit on it, the chain will be above that, and it won't drop anymore. Okay, there she is. Okay, we had to end up lifting it. We just welded a piece of metal in right underneath the back shock. We had to put a half link chain in, and otherwise the chain would have wrapped right there. So now it's nice. We used the old TOA quad gear lever. We cut the back end off, used it on here. It's working really well. Welded the engine frames in all the spots, and right now it's a really nice little fast quad. It goes pretty wild.